Hello, this is Crazy Lao Kid. In this video, that's all error codes about the SW900 e-bike display. So let's get started. Error 2. Brake error. First, release your brake handlebars and check whether your brake handlebars returns to its original position. Second, disconnect your brakes. If the error code disappears, you should change your brakes. After changing a new brake, the error code appears again. You should check or change your 124 cable. Error 6. Low battery voltage. First, you should charge your battery if your battery is dead. Second, try another charger which is in good use. Then, check your display configuration P3. That should be matched with your battery's voltage. Finally, change another new battery. If the error code disappears, there might be some failures in the battery cell or the BMS. Error 7. Motor failure. First, check the connection cable between the motor and the controller. Second, change a brand new motor. After that, try to change a new controller. Error 6. Handle failure. First, check your thumb or twist the throttle connection cable. Then, try to disconnect your throttle. If the error code disappears, you need to change a new throttle. After change a new throttle, the error code appears again. You should check or change your 124 cable. Error 9. ECU failure, or we can say the controller failure. First, try to check the 124 cable or change a brand new controller. Error 10 or 11. That's communication failure. That mostly caused by the 124 cable. So first you should check your 124 cable's connection and then check the contacts inside the plug. Error 12. BMS communication failure. First, check your connection between the battery and the controller. After that, try another new battery. Okay, that's it. Did you get that? If you want to know more, follow me.